Hey, good morning, YouTube. Sorry. First of all, I want to apologize for taking so long to release the video, part two. I got a little bit of renting to do before I do the video, but I'm going to show you quick fast that everything is done and looking great, as you can see. So, you know about that. The lights, that's what we're here for. It's complete. It's complete. I did the roof over. You can look carefully. You see the little star lights going on. Yeah, I did the roof over. Add some more lights in the back. Add a TV. Onto the boy got a drop yet. But that's basically about it. Like stuff that I don't see people do and take credits. Like this, for example. I got that. Seen that on YouTube. By the guy seen that on YouTube by the guy named Derek. I follow him. So certain things I see, I do. I won't say I'm the first one to do it, but I did it. But the reason why I took so long to release the video, I've been getting a lot of bad emails and comments. I deleted, but now I'm not deleting anything. Y'all gonna see on your own. I'm gonna leave out all the bad comments because I get bashed. People saying it's not professionally done. Go to the store. And most of them is from stores, people. Like, saying I don't know what I'm doing, it don't look good, and so on. But then again, I promised a lot of people that I'm gonna release it. So I'm like, all right, you know what? Let me release the video. And then also I'm a truck driver, so I don't get time. So now I'm home. I got the cold. Sorry for that. Now I got time. I'm home, and I was like, okay, I got to change these videos to these people. So yeah, I'm back giving you all the videos. I'm putting it together right now. So it's gonna be released today, Christmas Eve. I promise y'all that. It's Christmas Eve, so check the date. I'm definitely gonna release it. I found all the videos. I'm putting it together. But like I said, man, sorry for the long wait. But yeah, I've been getting emails saying, don't put it up. I'm messing up their business. How am I messing up your business? Everybody do it. I'm not famous. I'm not doing this to get famous. So, but I want the like and subscribe. I want your like and subscribe. But like I say, same stuff I do. Even like in the wife car. I got the wife car right here. There's stuff in here like this. I seen people put TVs in the car, but they got in the headrest. I didn't like it like that, so I figured out how to do it and put it like that. That video is definitely coming. You see? So, yeah. So like I said, man, I just want to apologize for the video taking so long to come out. But I'm going to release it right now, so hope y'all like, share, and subscribe to it. And let me know what y'all think, man. If y'all following it, if you think I did a crappy job, just let me know. But once again, I'm so sorry that it takes so long, but watch the end of the video. Watch the end of the video. But anyhow, enjoy. Enjoy. Okay, guys, so doing the doors, you want to get a pry tool. Pry from this corner. And then, oh, that came out a little too easy right there. But, yeah. When you get it out, you're supposed to slide it out like that. And it came out, but that came out way too easy. You gotta check them clips. But yeah, this look like Tesla might be adding ambient light in the future. Who knows? Oh no, I'll probably test that wire later and see if it's power, but I believe so. But anyhow, oh, that's why it came out easy. That's supposed to be on this. Actually, that piece supposed to be right on this part right here. So that's why it came off easy. And this is the first time taking this off, so you could tell Tesla's like Lego, like I said. But besides that, we got 4 screws to remove. One right here. Then we want also to remove this little light. People don't realize with Tesla again, but that's a screw right there. My other Model X, this used to be a light, like a light used to light up. This is a reflector now. That's cheaper on Tesla behalf. But besides that, wow. I never really pay attention to that. But then we gotta remove this also. Stick this tool in there. Pry it out. Got the next one in there. And we got one more It's right here. And the next one right there. More clips for. So 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That will get your door out. That's crazy. I never noticed it was just a reflector now. The other Model X I had lights there. Oh, okay. Let me loosen it up. Now this time we loosen it up with a 25T. Not the 20, it's a 25T right here. Let me put this camera down. So take out the 4 screws. 1, 2, that's 2. Number 3. And then the 4th one is the one on the end. Okay, so you got 4 of them out. Just see, I just did that. Just yank on that. Pop that. Pop that. Oh, guys, might be 5. Might be 5. Actually, 5 screws. Now we come on. Shit like that. So there, 5 screws. Now, let me get closer to show y'all what I do. I tap into my power right over on this module right here. See the power on the ground? Red, black is for the ground, red is for the power. So I'll tap into that. That only get power once the car get power. So I just tap in that. And I don't think I gotta cut the wires. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I do at the module. Let me zoom in right here. So remember, it's this one on the door. And I'm not gonna do the next door, okay? It's the same exact thing on the next door. So if you wanna do the next door, watch this part over. But I'm gonna zoom in right here. It's pretty simple on the front door. It's very easy to do. See the red and the black? What I'll do is I will use this. Get right here. I'll use the red and the black. Red and the black. I'll stick the red. So it comes with these picks, so I don't really need to cut it or anything like that. So I'll just stick it in the hole. The red is, because it's getting power. Once I stick it in there, and then I'll stick this where the black is at. It's also getting power. So I don't have to cut the wires. That's the only reason why I'm doing this, so you don't have to cut the wires. But I'll put a piece of tape now on the wire so it don't come out or anything like that. I'll take this one up first, the red. Let's put a piece of tape. I should unplug it, but I really don't want to unplug it. Okay, I'll tape it so it don't move. Then I'll stick the black one in. Make sure you get it good, because if it's not pushing good and you drive and it's not tape up, it's gonna move. So I'll stick the black one in there. Then I'll also throw a little piece of tape on it to hold it. So once that is whole, like that, then I'll put a next piece of tape on top. So it hold it from coming out. Not too much tape, just enough to hold it. Right? After doing that now, what I like to do plug up the module and the light. Got the light right here. Gotta find the module now. The module right here. So I'll plug in the light. I'll plug it to either one on this side next to the power wire. So I'll plug that in. There go the light. Then I'll plug the power in. Now once I do that, see, light up. So we know we good. It's working fine. So now what I do is, let me zoom out here. What I do, I'll find somewhere to put this. So I'll probably put it like right here and zip tie it. For some reason, I'm sorry, I can't find my zip ties. I think I left it in my work truck, my semi. But I'm gonna put some tape on this also to hold it from bouncing around. So I'm gonna tape that up and then run this wire out through the door panel. So after I done do all the taping up, so it's gonna move around. I say I'm sorry, I don't got no zip tie. You wanna put back on the door panel. But before you do that, let me set this camera up again. I usually just put the light through one of these holes right here. I don't know how that stuff came out, but it's a hole right here. You can get a light through. Once I come through the hole like that, we have that lamp. Try to put the door back on. Simple as you take it off, lift it up. You got some stuff in here that you wanna make sure don't come off. Get the door back up. Right in the groove. Now you try to snap it back in. And the hole. It's good. It's good. It's good. Now you're gonna tighten back up. Remember the silver one? This one. Fix that. Silver one gonna go into this little hole first. Silver one, black, 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 and black. Alright? Silver one first. After you done secure back up the door, and you tighten up all the screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, 5 screws, not 4 or 5 screws. Put back the clips and everything. Now you want to put this like right here. What you could do, put this in here first, and you want to measure where you want the light on the silver part. I do from the silver to the silver like that. I won't put it all the way here. I won't put it all the way there. I'll do it from here. So I'll measure like here. Do the same thing. Press against it. That look good enough. Then cut right here. You can cut it while it's on because we're gonna affect it. But right here, I said right. Let me double check to make sure. You put this back in the hole. Stick your light and see how far back it go. And that look pretty much right there. So I'll get my cutter and cut it straight. See, cut good. Stick this up in here. so. I want to stick this part in first. If you can, stick that like all the way like that. All right, that's it like that. Like that. And you would just hide this up in here like that. Yeah. And then stick like push it in, push it in, push it in. See? Okay, want it right to the edge there. Alright, you don't want to do that. You don't want to pull it out. Push it back in, just like that. And then snap that back in. Snap that in. And just kind of get it in there. See? So like I said, I always stick my finger in this, run it all the way in. So when it come off, you really don't see the line. Even though you really can't see because it's so thin, you gotta be doing real looking to see you can see the line. But it's thin, you can't see it. But there you go. Now that dough is done. So you look, I gotta put all that back just now the same way you gonna put that one in first and then the piece up. But so far, you see, it's coming along. See, now it look kind of original from that crease to that crease. I do it to the silver. You see, and the light is like up underneath it, so you don't really can't see or tell. So that's for that one. Oh, that's crazy. The light is on in the camera. It looks like it's not on. Wow. That's what you get to tape on the iPhone. See, when I zoom in, it look like the light is off. But that sucker's on. Trust me. But anyhow, now the reason why I told you I installed it to that wire and that wire. I think I go on that side to show y'all. Well, I'll show y'all later. But yeah, now I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. The same exact thing. It's the same screws and everything set up on that side. I'm not gonna record that one. But when I'm gonna do the next one is the door. I'm by my nephew's house, but I had to come get some stuff. So I'm about to go back to the crib and do the back one. I'm gonna finish up that one now. And when I get to the crib, I'm gonna finish up the back. And then we'll see how it look. So stay tuned. Don't leave yet. Don't leave.